This is a 1949 Bsa Bantam D1, and what a lovely thing she is. The Bantams were launched internationally in 1948, but weren't released in the UK until 1949, making this one of the first built. The early models didn't come with rear suspension, which might explain the heavily spring seat. Check those out. The 123cc engine produced a whopping 4 brake horsepower, with a top speed of, and I quote, 50 miles an hour downhill with following wind. This Bantam has covered 15,729 miles. I often wonder about the history of classic bikes, and when I found the gorgeous little wooden box behind this bike, I just had to peek inside. And as if by magic, some history appears. Inside the gorgeous little wooden box that came with this bike was a little note or a plaque. The two owners from 12th of January 1949 to 21st of April 1951 when purchased by Miss Glenys Brandreth near Stoke-on-Trent, and this bit's really exciting. As young ladies then were generally not recognised as motorcyclists, Glenys was in my opinion a pioneer. A recent conversation says, and I quote, "Seamus saved me from lots of scrapes, including altercations with black ice and streetlights, which we used to call electric gas lamps. I got to be quite friendly with the local police officer, who called out knowingly, 'It's a girl, you know,' and to me, 'Come along, missy.' Lovely days. I think of myself as a pioneer, a very good word, but it seemed to be several years before an appreciable number of girls took to the road. I think of cold fingers, cold toes, and limited hairstyles, but when I caught the bug, I can remember when we both flew through the air like king of the birds." And that was Glenys Unwin. And there's a picture, it says Glenys on board, Seamus in the early years. Isn't that lovely? And so even then, back in 1951, we had lady riders. Lady ridden, fantastic thing, amazing history, absolutely love it. What a wonderful, wonderful story. To come and see this bike and all the others we have, come and visit us at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester, or check out our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk.